When we make questions in German, the pattern is almost the same as in English. We swap the verb and the subject. This is the same change that turns you are into are you in English. If you remember this swap and know where to place the question word, you can build correct German questions. For a yes or no question, put the conjugated verb first, then the subject, then the rest of the sentence. The structure is verb, then subject. Example, kommt er? Is he coming? Verstehst du? Do you understand? Lernen Sie? Are they learning? So, you just switch subject and the verb to create a question. If the question has a question word such as wer for who, was for what, wo for where, wann for when, warum for why, wie for how, welcher for which. The structure is put the question word first, then the verb, then the subject. Example, what are you doing? Was machst du? You see, we put the question word first, which is was, and then the verb, which is machst, and the subject du. Was machst du? Another example, why am I asking? Warum frage ich? When are they coming? Wann kommen sie? Remember, we swap the subject and the verb to form a question.